This is number 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus First Fed, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Cape Town City 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Firstly, let me thank the supporters who came in numbers.
Yeah.
And also, I just want to say congratulations to Cape Town City for breaking our record. Hopefully, we hope Sundowns would finish the league invincible. But unfortunately, the guys were committing silly mistakes at the back. But then one thing that I need to just pass to our coach, especially coming to the coming game on a weekend. Rulani just need to fix at the back. You see, Mvala committed a silly mistake, especially on the first half. So, and I think it was two or three consecutive times. You were supposed to just take him out on the second half. Then you take him out. Then at least you put other. I mean, you've got Rivaldo Kotsia at the back. You've got who's the guy Zungu. You've got Lubusa. I mean, you have the guys that can play for sure. So. But then anyway, it's part of the game, my brother. I can't complain a lot. These boys have been incredible. They've been playing since from day one. Actually, Sundowns have won a league since from day one. So no, congratulations to the guys. Man.
Oh, nice man. Tell me, you just mentioned Mvala now, ne?
Yes.
Last time when you were playing Wydad, Mvala scored an own goal, which was a mistake. It was a big game. Even today, it was a big game. Even though you were playing a so-called smaller team, but it was a big game because of you were chasing a record, 30 games, no lose, and then also you wanted to make sure that you celebrate in style. And then the same Vala made that mistake. What is the message it will motivate him so that next time he plays is like football?
I mean, obviously, I can't be that much negative to the guy. I don't want to put a whole lot of pressure on him. But what I've noticed is we just need a little push, because if we are going to drag him down, because if you can check all of his games, there are plenty of games that he has been hands-on for the team. So when it happens, I think, and mostly he's committing these mistakes on critical games, whereby we need to set a record. Then the mistakes just come in. I don't know. Maybe the guy just have. Maybe you must put him on the bench. Can game it also? Important. No, I think maybe that will be the resolution. Maybe that will be a better decision.
Thank you very much, my brother. And I hope that maybe you will represent us well in the club World Cup.
Thanks, my brother.